Hello friends, welcome to Creative Medicine. In this lecture, we will learn about
Okay. Next, classification of dopamine agonists. Classification of dopamine agonists. Dopamine agonists are classified based on the receptor. The dopamine agonists acting on D1 are apomorphine, pergolide, pyribedyl, lergotril, rotigotin. So these will act on D1 receptor. Then the drugs acting on D2 receptors are bromocriptine, cabergoline, and ropinirole will act on D2 receptors. Then the drugs acting on D3 receptors are pramipexole will act on D3 receptor. So these are the dopamine receptors.
thank you and thank you for watching.